The weight of sample A is 468% of the weight of sample B, and the weight of sample A is 0.780% of the weight of sample C. If the weight of sample C is P% of the weight of sample B, what is the value of P? Now let's write this information as an equation. That is, the weight of sample A is equal to 468% of the weight of sample B. Let's write this information as an equation. That is, weight of sample A is equal to 0.780% of sample C. Let's consider the information we have over here. That is, C is equal to P% of sample B. Now we can take these equations in Desmos to find the value of P. Okay, let's go to the Desmos and open the square bracket. Now inside the square bracket, we have to take the values we have on the left side of all the three equations separated by comma. That is A, comma, C, close the square bracket, take tilde sign, open the square bracket. Now we have to take the quantities we have on the right side of all the three equations separated by comma. That is 468% of B, 0.780% of C, P% of B. Now close the square bracket, and here I got the value of P. The value of P is 60,000.